You were born to win. But to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Your dreams are the seeds of your future. But seeds don't grow into trees overnight. They need to be nurtured, cared for, and given time to grow. You see, most people give up on their dreams too soon. They let fear, doubt, and negativity hold them back. But I want you to know that you have the power to make your dreams come true. It starts with a clear vision of what you want. What is your dream? What does it look like? What does it feel like? Write it down, make it specific, and make it happen. But here's the thing. Making your dreams come true requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It requires you to push past your comfort zone, to take risks, and to face your fears. But I promise you it's worth it. Because when you're living your dream, you'll feel alive, you'll feel fulfilled, and you'll feel like you're making a difference. So don't give up on your dreams. Keep pushing forward even when it's hard. Keep believing in yourself even when nobody else does. And most importantly, keep taking action towards making your dreams a reality. You were born to win, and I believe in you. Now go out there and make your dreams come true.